Hi there. Let me show you how to add a button to any module on Divi that has a text field, and then I'll show you how to customize its color. So as you can see, I'm in the Divi builder here. And so what we're going to do first is we're just going to add a row. Here it doesn't matter what size it is, anything, because we just want to add the button code. We're going to give it a URL of pound, and we'll just give it text of button. None of this matters, we just need to fill it in. I'm actually going to move it to the top so we can see it easier. I'm going to go ahead and preview it. So as you can see, we've added a button. Now the trick is, how do we get the button in here? Now I guess we wanted to, we could move the button underneath one, but that's not really what you want. So let me show you how to get the code for the button. Any browser that has inspect, so like Chrome and Firefox and Edge, they all have inspect. You're going to want to come in here, right click on it, choose inspect. Right here, this is your class button. So you want to copy that. We're going to come to our modules now. We don't need this anymore, so we're going to get rid of that. We'll come to our module. Anything that's in the text field, so again, here, this is visual, you want to be in the text field. We're going to come down here, and we're just going to paste that text in there. Save it. Save and exit. Now when we preview it, you'll see the button is in here in the accordion. Let me show you a real quick cheat on how to figure out how to center it. So come into your accordion, come to your visual, click on the button, click on align center. It centers your button. Now come to text, and you can see it added this code right here. And that's what's centering the button. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all of this. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to come in here and enter it here. So we'll change the name of the button to whatever we want. You change the URL to whatever you want. Alright, so let's do one more. So we're going to come over here to blurb. Again, I'm going to make sure I'm in the text field. I'm just going to cut and paste that code. I'm going to change the URL here, and I'm going to change the button to whatever I want. Now if we preview it, you can see it now has buttons and they're centered. I'm going to go ahead and finish these, then I'll show you how to customize the button so you can get the color you want. Alright, I've added buttons to all my modules, but obviously they don't all look good. This blue does not look good on the orange. Now one thing you'll see is this one's white and this one's blue. So let me show you the difference real quick, and then I'll show you how to customize the colors. So the reason this one is white, it's this code right here where it says ETPB BG layout dark. Dark means it's on a dark background, therefore you'll get white. If it's on a light background, it will say light like the other ones did. Now if you want to change the color, this here right here is where you want to change it. So let's say we want to make this button yellow. So I'm going to give it a custom name. I don't want to use light or dark because I already know those are being used. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to save and exit. Then I'm going to come in here to my theme options, or if I have a child theme, I'm going to come in here to my editor and edit the Style Css. So we're just going to do the theme options. So we're going to come down here to our custom CSS. We're going to cut and paste that class. We're going to put a period in front of it. We're going to put our curly brackets, and then we're going to type in color, colon, the color that you want to use, and I'm going to use a yellow. I believe that's a yellow there. Then we want to put exclamation point important and close it out with a semicolon. We're going to save our changes. We're going to come over here to where our buttons are. We're going to preview it, and then we'll come up here, and we now have a yellow button. Alright, that's how you add a button to any module that has a text field in it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you. We'll see you next time.